Hey friends, welcome back to my studio. This is going to be a quick video on how I wire little ornaments. I turn 4" by 4" canvas panels into ornaments here, so you can see what I'm talking about. Isn't that pretty? How do I get the wire on them? Okay, let's get started. Okay, I've got a lot of stuff sitting here. Oh, but before I forget, if you don't want to wire them and you're painting these little 4" by 4" canvas panels, you can stick them in a cute little plate easel, painting easel. They call them different things. I got these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the video description. I think this is a 4" one. They come in various sizes. And then you can just set them in there and set them on a tabletop. Okay. I'm glad I stuck that there so I didn't forget. And then what I do is before I paint these, I have a little Dremel tool. It's like a little drill. And I just drill holes in them so that I can wire them. You can probably see it better on the back because you can see the lump. Oh, this is the one from US Art Supply. That's what that looks like. Okay. And then I like the 15-pound wire. I get it from Lowe's. In the US, it's a hardware store. Home Depot would probably have pretty much the same thing. Hillman is the brand. Just in case you want to know. It comes on here, but it popped off, so it comes on like this, and then you can just pull out the wire. But it popped off, but I saved it so I know what I want to buy next time. So here's what it looks like when it's in the thing. And then this is a heavier wire, but I just saved it. It's kind of lumpy. I don't know if you can see that. But I just saved it so I know about how long I like to make them. And then now you're going to ask the question, how long, which I don't know because I don't totally straighten it out. Well, there's like a foot. So 12, looks like I do it almost 15 inches. Okay, I'm glad I had that ruler sitting there. And then I use this pencil all the time. Just to wrap the wire around, you can tell I've worn off the paint. Little wire cutters, nippers. You could get jewelry nippers. This happens to be from a hardware store here in the US, Ace Hardware. I don't think I spent very much on it. Okay, and then these beads. You could use any beads you like. I use silver beads because I'm using silver wire. These are 8mm. You get 50 pieces for not much money. I'll put this Amazon link in the video description. Okay, I think we've set the table. So let's take one of my pre-cut wires and see, like, it has a little, I don't know if you can see it, it has a little bend in it. Don't worry if you get a little, I try to keep them smooth, but like I have a little bend right here. I don't even know if you can see it. So just stick it in the back. So this has already been varnished and dried for quite a while. Oh, and I have some simple painting videos. I'll link these in the video description. So I just pull it through. Hopefully you can see that. And I just eyeball it. I try to get them even. So I might pull this one a little more. And it's okay if they're not even. And sometimes I make them longer and sometimes I make them shorter. They vary. Here, I'll show you. And I just push it up. Then you can just push it flat against your tabletop and pull those up. So here, I think this polar bear, is taller than the sunflower. I've been going shorter lately. I don't know that it really matters. And then you put a bead on. This is an 8mm bead. You could go bigger. I've gone smaller. If you get too small, here's a good example. So I have smaller beads on this one, and then they like to kind of slip up the twist. It's not a big deal. You just need to slip them back down. Or if they come off for some reason, you just put them, off camera, trying to get it to go back down. So there, I tend to like the bigger beads better because the little beads kind of creep up the twist. So I bet you could do a 12mm bead. You can get them in gold, get the beads in gold. I bet you can get gold or copper wire too. Okay, so normally I hang this off the edge of my table. I think it's a little easier to twist it on. So I'm just going to leave it right up against, kind of on top of the bead and up against the wire. I just push it forward, and then I just bring it around and kind of pull it snug. And now I've got a weird dent. I don't know if you can see that, but that's okay. I made a bend in there. And you just wrap it up the pencil. Any pencil will work. A pen would work. Sometimes it's a little cranky and you kind of push it and wrap it the way you want it. And then if you like, you wrap off to an angle. I got this one pretty straight, but you can twist it and straighten it. You can bend it to straighten it. I actually did that one pretty well. And then you just take your little wire nippers. You could leave it, but a lot of times I get a flat piece that I don't like. I don't know if you can see that. Get a flat piece. So I just nip it to where I like it and then cover it. Because sometimes that little piece of wire will go flying. You don't want it to go in your eye. That's how you do it. But I thought it would be easier instead of, you know, I have this at the beginning of, I think, a ornament painting video. But I thought if you're searching my channel, it would be easier. Because I'll title this, you know, how to wire one of my ornaments or something like that. How to wire a little canvas ornament. That's probably what I'll title it. So that you guys can find it easier when you search my channel. Because I've done these for a few years in a row. They're fun. People like to buy them. I sell them for $15 as of this video, which is July 2022 or August 2022 when this video posts. The price may go up. I don't make much on these, but people really like them. They're fun, they're cute. I've had people that collect them. So I think I'll nip this one up higher. I'm missing a couple of fingernails I broke off, so it's hard to grab things. There you go. Hopefully that you can see it well enough in the video to get the idea how to do it. I think it's really fun. I super appreciate everybody's support. So many of you spoil me with sending money through PayPal and comments and sharing my videos. I couldn't be a full-time artist without all of you guys. Great, big, happy art hugs, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye, guys.